Hi Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have got some gorgeous products that have been very kindly sent to me from Born Pretty for review. So I'm going to be showing you 4 of their new 5D magnetic gel polishes. They are really awesome. Totally recommend that you go check them out. They have got 6 colours in this collection. I've got 4 that I'm going to be showing you today. And as well, I got this brush as it's a nice flat brush, and I just wanted a nice brush to be able to apply these magnetic polishes properly, obviously because they come in a pot, so they don't have a brush with them. So I'm just going to show you this now. It's super cute. I like the length of it. It's got like a nice little see-through crystally thing at the bottom. So the brushes are actually soft. Normally they come quite hard and you have to break them, but they are soft, and I do love that rose gold sort of like coiled look. It's really nice to grip hold of, and you can keep this little plastic thing as well, just to, you know, make sure that your bristles stay good. So I've gone ahead and I've just applied 1 coat of this Kiki London Blackheart gel polish and cured that in my lamp. So I'm going to open up these packages now. I am using a tool, not my nails. I always use my nails and end up breaking them and then getting annoyed with myself that I didn't use a tool. So I'm just going to open it up. So they do come sealed. It is quite tightly sealed. See, I'm going to use my fingers. I always do it. But actually, to be fair, I did need to use this tool to kind of break that seal. So just sort of take your time, and you will just get an opening, and then once it's sort of separated, you can just pull it off. But again, just be careful, because like I say, this was quite tightly attached, and one time the pot actually came out of the bottle. So just be aware of that when you open it. So I know it doesn't look anything amazing right now, but obviously it all comes into its own when you apply the magnet. So I would recommend that you stir this just to make sure that obviously during transit there's sort of magnetic parts to the polish can settle. So if you just give it a little stir, not too vigorous, then obviously it can just help, you know, do what it needs to do. But like I say, do it carefully, because you don't want to have any air bubbles that come into the pot. So I'm going to take my brush now and then just apply it to the nail. So you do want to apply it kind of nice and thin. You don't need to be applying it thick. I know obviously you can see a bit of the black underneath, but you know, that doesn't matter. Trust me, once you put the magnet to it, it looks amazing. So pictures are never ever going to do these polishes justice, because I did see them before and I was a bit like, I don't know what the hype's about, until I watched Manisha M's a review of I think she just had one of these polishes, and it was just it looked so amazing. So then I went on to Born Pretty and got these. So I did actually apply the magnet wrong here. I was like, okay, so this looks rubbish. And then I remembered that actually Manisha she sort of got the end of it like I'm doing now. And then it just, I don't know how it does it. It just creates this awesome look, and you can really get that 5D feel with it. And when you move it around, honestly, it looks like your nails are lighting up. And yeah, Manisha showed that really well, and hopefully this is coming across on the camera, but it's so awesome. It really is. Though you're gonna get so many comments if you wear this just on your nails, because it's just breathtaking. So you might be able to hear I'm not very well at the moment, so instead of you listening to my horrible croaky voice, I'm just going to tell you this last bit, and then I'm going to put some music on. So basically this is how I'm cleaning the brush. So I've got some isopropyl alcohol, and I'm trying not to move the bristles too much, because obviously I want them to keep that nice flat shape to be able to continue to use it. So I did get this tip off Natasha Lee. This is what she suggested when you use her Divine by Natasha Lee brushes, which are amazing. So I've just got rid of all the polish off of the nail, and then I've got a dry cotton pad, and again I'm just getting rid of that excess water, and I literally went and used this straight away, so it doesn't take a long time to dry either. So I just thought I'd share this just in case you were wondering how you can keep your brushes nice and, you know, like new. So yeah, like I say, I'm not very well, so you don't have to listen to my croaky voice. I'm just going to put some music on for the rest of the swatches, and I'll meet you back at the end. So me and my croaky voice are back just to tell you, obviously the last step that you need to do is apply a nice layer of thin top coat just to seal this all in, and obviously cure it as well. Another tip that Natasha Lee showed, you know, to keep your brushes nice and sort of neat is to get some like cuticle oil, and I'm just like rubbing the brush through it here, and it just kind of helps keep the bristles in place. And then obviously when you come to use it again, you just need to use some isopropyl alcohol and just clean that brush off. And I've been doing this with all of my brushes ever since she said to do it, and it's worked a treat, and the bristles do really stay in a good shape. So I wanted to share that with you as well. So yeah, so now I am going to reveal all of them together. So I cannot emphasize enough how amazing these polishes are. I really hope that it's coming across on camera how beautiful they actually look. Obviously you can use other magnets. Manisha used quite a lot of other magnets. I will leave a link to her video so you can go and check that out, but seriously this was the best look in my opinion. It is absolutely amazing, and like I say, it just looks like little lights on your nails. So that is it from me today. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and you please use the links provided and use the code as well. Everything will all be down below. So thank you for watching. Thank you Born Pretty for sending me these products, and until next time, take care jelly babes. Bye.